Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to pin and unpin extensions and add-ons from your Mozilla Firefox web browser toolbar. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's say you have an extension or add-on already up in your toolbar. You can just right-click on it and then uncheck where it says pin to toolbar if you don't want to have it showing anymore. So all you have to do to add it back is just select the puzzle piece icon up to the top right, and then select the gear icon next to whichever extension you want to now pin to the toolbar, and select pin to toolbar, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.